Where are we going?
We are going north first, and then we're going west to the Carlisle Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. It's Friday afternoon, 6 o'clock.
It's actually Thursday.
Oh, that's right, it's Thursday. It's not Friday, it's Thursday.
Yeah.
We're going to be there for Friday morning.
We're going this way to avoid George Washington and Tappan Zee Bridge.
100%. So last time we made a video, we went to Pennsylvania. We went to George Washington on the way, traffic, and the Tappan Zee or the Andrew Cuomo Bridge on the way back. It's not Andrew Cuomo. It's the father. The Cuomo Bridge, whatever. It used to be the Tappan Zee Bridge. That bridge.
And we hit traffic.
Hit traffic.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna do it this way.
We're going to go the long way.
A little bit longer, same time.
Yep.
More miles, but there should be
No traffic.
no traffic.
Yeah. Can't wait to get there.
What are we gonna see?
We're going to see Cudas.
Cudas.
Yeah.
If you said I could only ever have one car, 100% be a 1970 Cuda AAR. Only because my brother had one when I was a young boy. My older brother George. But I mean, I could take one in pretty much any configuration. I'd even take one with the slant six in it, because some of them came with slant sixes. If I could find one of those reasonably priced, that's the problem. You just can't. You can't. If you find one reasonably priced, on Marketplace, you're probably 15 minutes too late because someone else already bought it.
If you see me coming, I'm about to get it started.
Here is the walk up to the event, and what do we have here? A black Cuda right there. Now, Uncle George's Cuda AAR was red, and for me personally, it's the one that sticks in my head, even though I've only ever seen a picture of it. This Cuda is in nice shape and looks to be a little more of a survivor than a full restoration, but I wouldn't kick it out of bed if it was mine. Nice rumble from that four-door Dodge Dart. Funny, when they brought them back in the mid-2010s, they didn't sound that good in front-wheel drive. The first thing at this show was a large open-air building under which every car was for sale. So let's look at what Mopar money gets us. 70 Challenger, factory 340, 4-speed, that was rotisserie restored, asking $60K, but money talks, he says. Same seller had this 63 Max Wedge style Plymouth Belvedere for $50K. This Dart originally sold in Knoxville, Tennessee for $3,372.10. No current price listed, but you can probably just move that decimal point over one and start the bidding there. 69 Charger SE. It's a one-owner car, repainted 20 years ago. AC has been added. All gauges and lights work. It runs strong, and you can drive it home today for $43K. A 70 Challenger RT copy. 383 with a 5-speed Tremec factory AC and cruise control, deluxe bucket seats, rally wheels, power steering, disc brakes, and a power convertible top, $70K. 70 Charger RT now, J code 440, matching numbers, asking $80K. Maybe that means he's negotiable. Plymouth GTS, and we're looking for $79K or best offer. It is a great lime green here. Here we go. This has to be the deal of the day. 70 Cuda, faded paint, needs some body work, some vinyl on the roof, a whole new trunk, and a full new interior, floor, seats, dash, everything. $28,500. Convertible 69 Roadrunner has all the fun little touches of the cartoon character. Wile E. Coyote's worst nightmare is yours for $90K. Complete restoration, matching numbers, hardtop Roadrunner now for the same price, $90K. 72 Duster, matching numbers, 340, original sheet metal, wheels, exhaust, and cold factory AC. It drives anywhere, $43K. 71 Challenger, original paint and interior, 318 with an automatic transmission, 50K. 1971 Dodge Demon. Before it was a trim, it was a car. Orange plaid interior to match the orange paint from factory. Has
See if
the
that's your
original
cup of
fender
tea.
tag, 65K. Here we go, Cuda AAR, but it's a clone because this was originally a 6-cylinder. He has the original engine and transmission. This transmission is new, and the engine has been rebuilt, and he's asking $38,500, which honestly seems reasonable for a real deal matching numbers AAR with the 340, 70K. 69 Roadrunner, 383 4-speed, not a great color on the outside or the inside either, 65K. 70 Charger with a sunroof, cruise control, power windows, and matching numbers, 135K. That wraps up the shopping extravaganza. I'm not saying these guys are overcharging their cars by any means. That's the market for cars restored to this level. I just wouldn't hand over that amount of money. But great work if you can get it.
Of course, it's got a bench seat.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a console with a shifter on the floor. It's got it on the column, but it does have the rail dash.
Right.
We're close to Uncle George's AAR here, but like Dad said, bench seat instead of the buckets, and no bearded man with a bandana sitting behind the wheel. In 1970, Plymouth had a total of 9 engine options, starting with the base 145 horsepower Slant 6, all the way up to the 455 horsepower 426 Hemis. The Cuda AAR was built as a factory sponsorship deal between Dan Gurney's All-American Racers team and Plymouth to meet the SCCA homologation regulations. 2,724 units were produced with the 346-pack engines. Those numbers make the AAR one of the rarest muscle cars of the era. Not to be outdone, Dodge took the same E-body platform and made the TA. It got the same engine, same fiberglass hood with a functional hood scoop, and the same exhaust in the front of the rear wheels. 2,399 units were made of the Challenger TA in 1970. Cudas did have the best paint names: In Violet, Vitamin C, Panther Pink, which is a Challenger color, Blue Fire, Lime Green, Citron Gold, Sand Pebble Beige, Lemon Twist, Lime Light, Lime Green again, Tor Red, Plum Crazy Purple, and Ice Blue. This show is sick with AARs and TAs. I've never seen more of them in one place at one time before. Everyone has flocked here to show off what they have. It's amazing to see all the colors side by side. It's like your own personal dealer show, so you can decide exactly what color looks best on a full build. These two cars competed with the Boss 302 Mustang, the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, the AMC Javelin Mark Donahue, and the Camaro Z28.
When you build with Orton, the design, manufacturing, delivery.
So there's actually 2 black Cudas here that look amazing. One we just saw in one of the pavilions, and then there's this one outside. Is this your car? It's beautiful, and the color I love like the black on black is gorgeous. Yeah, so wherever he is, tell him another admirer stopped by. You're welcome.
Is the Hypercar Series 84-inch wide, built to carry the widest cars on the road. Trail-X should be your first and only choice. That's Trail-X on the manufacturer's Horizon stacked, reliable, and award-winning performance.
Closer look at the colors. I actually don't hate the paint.
Select 5G phones on us. Select smartphone trade-ins.
Yeah.
440 Superbird body. You've got to start somewhere, and this thing needs everything mechanical and comfortable. The General Lee Charger, such an iconic car. Fun fact about the Dukes of Hazzard show, over 146 episodes they destroyed around 300 Chargers, and then the 2005 movie destroyed another 26 of them. Regular Dodge Magnum, I love that car. An intact Superbird. Chrysler Windsor, a statesman car. Elegant, refined, comfortable, quiet, and enough trunk space for 5 bodies.
That is a giant. trunk. Loads of survivor cars.
Wagon row here. I don't know what it is about wagons, but I love them. Every time I see them, I get excited. They're way better than the generic SUVs that are pumped out now. This custom red one is great with the surfboards, 10 out of 10. Look at the space and functionality you get. They're perfect. Throw a huge engine in and this baby will scream. Ultimate sleeper car.
75 Dodge Coronet. Oh, check that out. We intend on going fast. Wow, check that out. '57 Chrysler Saratoga, in case you're wondering.
High school parking. Yeah.
You can't beat that. That is a beautiful car. Little peek inside. Check that out. Check out those white walls.
The full Christine build. What a great interior. I just wouldn't be able to drive it because of the movie. It does look comfortable though, even though it's possessed.
Look at the paint. I can't even begin to...
Ultra sleek body styles on these late 60s beauties. We don't make cars that look this comfortable anymore.
Like Zillion Opal. Yep. In a couple of his
Lancer, 59.
well,
Just in case you need a little help getting out. DeSoto. Fire dome. Ooh, check out that.
you can buy this car today.
Some of the nicest, luxurious interiors I've seen are from this show. The two tones, the big thick seats, chef's kiss.
I mean,
That's a nice one. Look at that.
okay, so 57 Dodge Custom Royal.
Tell me if I can check that.
Gorgeous. Betty Boop.
But I have to show you what to do.
Another trip down the Rainbow Road Raceway. It's a never-ending show of personality, and it all came from the factory. Car colors have regressed to the original Model T, when Henry Ford said you can have any color you want as long as it's black. In the 70s, you could blend in by sticking out. Something you don't see often is a new generation Challenger convertible. Kinda cool, coffee cups and all. Okay, this is sweet and I had no idea about it. The Dodge Low Red Express truck was a limited production performance pickup, essentially a muscle car disguised as a half-ton pickup, designed to skirt US emissions regulations that were killing off traditional hot rods. It was only made in 1978 and 79 with 2,188 and 78 and 5,118 and 79. That's 7,306 total. It's a two-door short bed step side with a 360 V8 and massive chrome exhaust stacks. At the time, it was the fastest American production vehicle from 0 to 60, and the top speed was around 130 miles per hour. The oil crisis and EPA rules gutted muscle car power. Dodge exploited the truck exemption to create a factory hot rod with bed utility and made what they called the last of the American hot rods. Wow, what a way to end this show and end this video. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.